Hello guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we're going to be rating some video games. So, let's just get right into it, because some of these games are like, what? I don't even know what these games are. Okay. But, I had not tried the game. Okay, that's simple. I'm just put those right there, right? Don't know what that is. Ooh. Fallout New Vegas. I've been doing some, you know what I mean. Half-Life. I don't like the solo games that much. It makes me feel weird. Oh, Street Fighter. Oh yeah, good. What's that? Super Smash Bros. That's what that is. Good. It's good. Team Fortress, since I played it, I don't like it that much anymore, but that was a good game. Till Dawn. Who is that? What the heck that is? Warframe? Haven't played it. Uncharted? Good game. Oh, these games, they're decent. Battlefield 1. It's good. Tony Hawk Pro Skater. Yeah, Red Dead Redemption 2. It's a great game. Don't know what that is. What is that? Halo Reach. Which one is that one? Alright, it's a Halo game, so it's gotta be good, right? Sonic. I like Sonic, but not Batman. Yeah. Very good. At time, I played that a little bit. It's decent. Jungle Party. What? Modern Warfare 3. Now that is a good game. Good. What is that? Final Fantasy? Watch Dogs? Oh, dude. Yeah. What is that? Metagressive. Yeah, Metagressive. Bloodborne. Blood don't. I don't play that. I don't know what even that is. Oh, dude, that game. Oh my gosh. That's up there, man. What is that? Amazing. That was a good game. Ooh, that too. GTA 4. Metal Gear. Really bad. Ooh, yeah. Amazing. Borderlands 2. Horrible. Final Fantasy? What is that? Watch Dogs 2? It's the same level as Battlefield 1, I would say. Dark Souls. Dark Souls. Shadow War. Need for Speed. Mad. Oh yeah, Mario. Good game. What is that? Don't know what that is. Odyssey. It was decent. Mortal Kombat. It was bad. Mortal Kombat 11 was bad. Modern Warfare. Yeah, that game was multiplayer gotta think about this one, because you got the campaign and then you got the multiplayer, but then you also got the Warzone. It's good. It's good. Dude, don't even know. Half-Life. I haven't played that one, I don't think. L. Oh. Don't know what L is. Watch over dog, Overwatch. Decent. Crash Bandicoot, I haven't played that. God of War. What is that? Oh, that, I don't know what that is. Far Cry 3? Oh my gosh, I gotta do it. Ooh, Far Cry 3 is up. Tetris, I played it. It's really bad compared to Warcraft? World of Warcraft. Don't know what that is. Don't know. Nah, don't know. I'm gonna put this at the... It's fun. It's fun. Oh, wait. Red Dead. It's better than Red Dead 2. No, is it? No. They're the same level. Oh no. GTA is pretty good. I don't think I played that one. What is that? Oh, this game is okay, but it's bad, but it's like, yeah, you know what I mean? Because, like, I don't know, that game was like, what is that? Star Wars Lego game? Yeah, they're good. Mario Kart? Decent. Super Mario Galaxy. What's up with all the Mario games? Decent, I guess. Minecraft. Decent. Monster Hunter. Don't know what that is. Overcooked. What? Counter-Strike. Really bad. Oh, this is what's this called? Pac-Man. Pac-Man. Yeah, that's decent. Don't know what that is. Haven't played that. Ping pong. What the frick? That is bad, but it's okay. Portal. Haven't played it. Jackbox Party Pack 6. I don't know what that is. Resident Evil 2. Oh man, bad game. I don't like scary stuff. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Circuit 2, sure. Oh my gosh, how... There's so many games that I have to... But there's so many of them that are so bad. Alright, I gotta get this over with, right? Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. That game was good. I haven't played that. Terraria. Ooh, very good. Skyrim. The Last of Us. Zelda. Had a cough. Whoops. Oh, frick. Oh, I guess. Whoops. I put the. Oh. I don't think anything changed on the chart. We're good. Uncharted 2. Decent. Walking Dead. Yet again, I'm a scaredy cat, so, like, you know, it's gotta go there. I mean, I'm just like, it's not like the game's bad, I just, like, I don't like it, because, you know, I haven't played that, I played this one. Good. Apex is horrible. Apex Epic. Celeste. Don't know what that is. 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 Haven't played that. For Honor? Good. Good. Insight. What is that? What is that? This game? Very good. Oh, Left 4 Dead 2. Oh my gosh, dude. That's going up to the very good. That game's awesome. Limbo. Mordo? Oh, dude, that game is very good. Very good. Outlast. Yeah, here's the thing about these scary games. Like, you know, other people may not think they're scary, but like, I get scared. Like, I don't like monsters and stuff. I don't like zombies and stuff. Whatever they are. Getting over it. That game is like hard, but it's like good. I don't know what that is. Oh wait, shoot. That's. Oh no. What if I've been moving it? Don't know what that is. What is it? Yeah. Here's the thing. I don't like scary games. Roblox. Oh my gosh, dude. Roblox. Oh my gosh, I could play Roblox all day. No, I'm joking. I played it a lot as a kid, so I'm gonna give it tops. I'm gonna give it good. Rocket League. That was a very good game. Very good. I don't play it anymore, but good. Beat Saber. Bruh, this game is like decent, but like I don't even songs like can't figure it out. Silent Hill. Yeah, here's the thing, you know, like scary, you know. To me, Sims 4. I haven't even played that. Seconds. What is that? What is that? Oh, Spider-Man. Bruh, this was great. Wii Sports. Oh man. Wii Sports, amazing. Man, that was so fun. But I haven't played that. Don't even know what these are. Fallout 4. Fallout 4. It was decent. I don't even. What Fallout is that? What is that? Is that even a Fallout? That's just some dude. Fallout 76. Ooh, and this thing is like, Fallout 76 is like, you know what I mean? Like, oh, what game were we talking about again? Far Cry 5. Oh. What? Oh, okay. Well, I guess we were talking about Fallout 5. I mean, Far Cry 5. This game was really bad. Far Cry 3? Why does that one look like? Nah, I haven't played that. Warcraft? Warcraft? I haven't played that. Counter-Strike? Oh, I haven't played that one. Alright, that's Counter-Strike I played. Gmod, yeah. I can have some fun on that. It's decent. When you have friends, it's pretty good. That, I don't even know what that is. Heyday, Hitman? I haven't played that one. Haven't played Hotline Miami. Just Cause 2? I haven't played that one. Don't know what that is. I forgot what game that is, so I'm just gonna put that there. Don't know what that is. Frick! Stop. Okay, I was about to say. I thought I deleted all my progress. Okay, don't hit a button. Don't know what that is. Plants vs. Zombies. It was good. So fun to play with other people. Postal, don't know what that is. Prototype, Rainbow. Bad. Actually decent. It's okay. Saints Row, don't know what that is. Sniper Elite 3. It's decent. Stalker Anomaly. But I may actually put that. up there. Yeah, that game was pretty good. Battlefront, I haven't played that one, but I played this one. That one's good. Super Hot. That one's decent. I get a little bit. I don't like single player games like that type because I get lonely. I don't know. It's weird. I don't like having a game where you're like the only actual person in the game. I don't like it. What is that? I don't even know. Undertale? I don't even. Yuck. Pokemon, Animal Crossing, Pokemon, Cuphead. That's so fun to play with other people. Okay. Death of Frank. Dude, is that Diablo? Diablo 2? Diablo 2. Good. What is that? What the frick is that, dude? Grounded? Oh, that game is like horrible. Just Dance, 2K20. After 2K17, they started getting bad, so that was decent. The specs. Oh, I don't even know what that is. Valorant. Valorant. It's French, I guess. I played that once, I think. No, I'm just joking. I played that game, but it's Valorant. That game sucks. Crusader Kings. I don't even know what that is. Divinity. Dead or what? Dying Light. I played Dying Light actually, and it was horrible because I don't like scary games that much. I get scared. I'm a little wuss. Fall Guys. Oh man, it's okay when you play with other people, I guess. I don't even know what this one is, dude. Last of Us Part 2? I haven't even played it. Payday 2? Oh, come on. Like, we gotta give that, like, a good. That's a good. What is that? What is that? Rust? Oh, Rust. Rust is. Ooh, but they put that new patch in where they changed everything. Ooh, that new patch though, really bad. The game was, I would say, it was up to here, but like they put like the new recoil in and stuff, and it's like right there, just like that, right there. Saints, what is that? Titanfall, what is that? Dawn Warzone. That's hard to say. Really bad. It's not. Wait, let me see. Let me look at the level. Yeah, it's not on that level bad. Yeah, it's good. All these. That looks about right. If I see, yeah, it looks good. Looks good. I don't even know what that is. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Dead by Daylight. Seeing as that the killers can camp you and stuff, but the game is good. DuckTale, I haven't played that. Untitled Goose. Ooh. The game is just one of those weird games. Batman. Oh yeah, Batman games are always like really good. Oh yeah. Flight Simulator. I mean, like that. What is that? Shodo 2? Subnautica. Yeah, Subnautica. It's one of those games. You're alone. I don't like when you play a game really long by yourself. I don't like it. It makes me weird. And I don't like the ocean either. Don't know what that is. Warhammer. Don't know what that is. Yoka 5. I haven't played that. No. Ghost Bomb Sheen T. I can't even read that. I haven't played that. Bavanzeta? What is that? Cold War? Ooh. That's when... Dude. Which one was that? Cold War. Oh, that was actually good. That was like... No, not up there good. No, not even that. It was good. It's Call of Duty though, you know what I mean? It's Call of Duty's Call of Duty. I don't even know what that is. Oh, Cyberpunk. Yeah, no, I knew that game was gonna be bad when I saw that. Dude, don't play those. What does that even mean? Hitman 2? Hitman 2. Decent. It's not bad, but it's decent. Super, I haven't played that. Avengers, yeah. Yeah, Avengers good. Good. Wait. Yeah, it's good. Wasteland 3. What are these games? What is Luke Dragon? Luke Dragon Yoka. Oh, it's one of those Yoka games. Yokuza, yeah. Yokuza. Wasteland 3. There we go. Now that's a tier list right there. I only got 3 games on the top. Wait, Terraria's better than that. Yeah, there we go. Let's overlook this. Make sure everything's correct on here. It's not that good. Not that good. Gotta think about this. Fallout. Got that game. Those look good, correct? All of these games look about right. Yeah. And then the ones I haven't played or don't know. All of these. Okay. Yeah, looks about right. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you don't get too mad about my tier list because, like, you know, everybody likes different games, you know what I mean? Like the top right there. Those are good games. Yeah, there we go. They're good. And then, well, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I will have this saved in my Discord if you guys want to share it or something. So, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Peace out. Oh, frick. Turn it off. How do I turn it off?